Hi again, we're here in Erlangen today. This is known mostly as a university town, also headquarters of Siemens. This is not a highly sought after tourist place, but it is kind of ideal since it's only about 20 minutes from Nuremberg or half an hour from Bamberg, so it's a really nice central location. It's a lot more affordable than either of the other two cities, either for hotels, food, shopping, whatever you're looking for. And there actually is quite a bit to do. Right now we're just kind of in the gardens right outside the orangery. That's far behind me, you can't quite see it here. But there's a lot of nice flowers, nice fountains. It's very peaceful here even though there's quite a few people. Behind the camera there's actually the botanical gardens. I believe that is free also, so there's lots to do with your family. They do have a section of town that's about 5 or 6 blocks long that's pedestrian only. I guess bikes are allowed there too, but it's very nice. Nice restaurants for outdoor seating, nice shopping centers. They have a lot of markets that you can go visit too, as well as churches, and their mall or shopping center is quite affordable also, so if you're looking for clothes or again food or anything, I would definitely recommend checking it out. So hopefully you consider staying here when you're on your trip to Germany, and stay tuned for more from our trip. Thanks.